This is the video for DJI Care Refresh for the X5S camera. Camera's in brand new shape. I have a lens that did not come with the camera. Pins are in good shape. There is the serial on the camera. Get this attached to the bird. Okay, get that powered up. Before we go over there to the DJI Go 4 app, here is the back of the box. Box, lens excluded, and next on the list this is me logged into my DJI account right there. Let's go into my orders, proof of purchase history. Here is the aircraft, Care Refresh for the aircraft. There's the X5S. I did not end up getting the Care Refresh somehow, but let's fix that. And here is the Go 4 app. Let's connect. And brought us back in there. So let's show that the camera can actually pan. Here we are actually at the DJI store because we work here. And the camera focuses. And let's take a photo. And let's take a video clip. And as you can see, that's all working good. Photo works. Everything works. And last but not least, just in case you guys need it, let's go down here, go to the About, and there's all of the serial numbers. Thank you.